What's going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com. I'm going to show you a website/app where you can get paid to listen to music. All you have to do is listen to it, write a small review on it, and basically going to credit you, and then you can eventually cash out. So I'm going to show you how it works here. I'm going to click on this notepad, and it's going to play a song. You have to listen to the song for at least a minute and a half. So I'll kind of fast forward through a little bit of it, but you just basically write a review on it, write what you think about the artist, what you think about the production of the song. Just, be honest with them on it, and, write a long enough review to the point where it makes sense. And you'll see as I'm typing that orange bar, that second one, it is continuing to fill up. That bar has to be completely full. And when it is done, you can submit it and you can rate it. And then from there, you just wait for them to credit you. So you'll see there I got 21 cents for that review. So just like that, and you'll see I go back to the home page. My balance went up 21 cents. Let me go back real quick and show you that. Now I have $9.82. So it's just that simple. I'll do one more just to show you how easy it is, but you need a minimum of $10 in order to cash out. So if I do one more review, I'll probably get this. So again, just click on the notepad. It'll play a song. Listen to it for a minute and a half. Write about what you think of the song. It needs to make sense because they actually do read these reviews. And if you're making like crazy false reviews, then you'll get your account deleted. So just make sure it makes sense. You listen to it for a minute and a half, and you write a long enough review to the point where the orange bar fills up. After that is done, you'll click on next, and then you'll wait to be credited. So let me do that real quick. Click on next. I'll rate what I think about it. I will give it a 7. And now I get credited. I'll get credited 21 cents. Now, it always won't be 21 cents. It can be different things, but for those two, it's 21 cents. So now you see I have a minimum of $10 to cash out. So I'll go to make a withdrawal. I'll enter how much I want to withdraw. I'll just take out $10 just to keep it simple. I'll click on withdraw. Click on it again. And now they just basically wait for them to pay me. I've been paid by this app plenty of times, so it definitely is legit. Very easy because all you're doing is listen to music for a minute and a half, writing a review on it, getting credited per review. So the more reviews you do, the higher your how much. What I'm trying to say is the more reviews you do is the more they will actually pay you per review. So if you're writing good reviews, they'll say, okay, well, let's give this person a little bit more. So just continue to write quality reviews, even if you're making just a few cents when you first sign up. Just keep on going because I'm showing you proof that they do pay high for these reviews if you continue to do them over and over. So I usually keep on doing it until the songs run out, which it could take like maybe 2-3 hours in doing it. If you're really doing good on reviews, you will find they send you a lot of songs to review. So it's just that simple. I will leave the link to sign up with it. They have a website and they have an app. I'm currently using it on the app, but they also have it on the website. You can use it on your laptop, things like that. A minimum of $10 to cash out. The link is in the description. Sign up today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.